Mr. Sakir Jha was the Secretary General of the first Resolution MUN organized in 2015 at DPS Faridabad. It's a proud moment for us that he is here amongst us to witness our progress. We kindly invite Mr. Sakir Jha to share his thoughts with us.
Thank you so much. Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress, Pooja Ma'am, Alka Ma'am, Purva, Executive Board members, delegates, Organizing Committee, Conference staff. Thank you for joining us. When I say us, I mean us. Because I don't consider myself as a guest here. I am at my home. Resolution is like a home to me. So in that capacity, welcome. In my opening remarks, I said I will be a history, we will be a history, but Resolution will be a legacy. This is what I said when I opened this conference for the first time. I became a history, my team became a history, but see, Resolution is still a legacy. 8th edition. We are hosting 8th edition. It started by sending 5 students to an MUN. They got an award, an intra happened, Resolution happened, and today here we are. I cannot tell you how happy I am witnessing all of this. To Executive Board members sitting here, I would advise you, please be humble, please be kind towards your delegates. I know a lot of flattering will happen in next 2 days, but understand that there are a lot of people looking at you. You are their role model, especially for beginners. You will make or break an MUN for them. To veteran delegates, I know you know the knack of winning awards and you will get an award again. But try to develop a different approach. Try to not dominate other delegates and try to win it in a more cooperative manner. Make sure people remember you as a best human being, not as a best delegate. And to beginners, just feel free, express yourself, eat good food, make friends, and enjoy the conference. No expectations, just give one GSL, few moderated caucus, and you are done for it. Lastly, thank you Anil sir. Thank you Pooja ma'am and Alka ma'am for continuing this, for continuing Resolution. Resolution is literally the soul of humanities section, because humanities people are not treated well by society. At least they have something to prove society that they are doing something worthwhile. Thank you so much for considering this legacy. And long live Resolution, long live DPS Faridabad. Anil sir, let us hope of a golden jubilee. Let us target a golden jubilee of Resolution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was indeed very inspiring.